enjoy reading books and sharing your thoughts. Believe it or not, writing reviews for Amazon Kindle books can actually be a profitable side hustle. While you won't get rich overnight, there are several legitimate ways to make money doing what you love. In this video, we'll dive into the various methods, strategies, and platforms where you can monetize your bookish passion. Buckle up, it's going to be an entertaining ride. Number 1. Amazon Vine Program, the Golden Ticket. Ever heard of Amazon Vine? This invite-only program is where top reviewers get to shine. If you're consistent with insightful and helpful reviews, Amazon might just roll out the red carpet for you. Once invited, you'll receive free products, including books, in exchange for writing detailed, honest reviews. It's not a direct paycheck, but you can get your hands on bestsellers before they're officially released. The trick to getting noticed is building a credible reviewer profile, so start leaving those quality reviews today. But hey, no fake praise. Amazon's algorithms have eyes like a hawk. Joining the Vine program can open doors beyond just free products. It could lead to partnerships and sponsorships with bigger brands. Plus, it's a major credibility booster in the Amazon ecosystem, giving you exposure to new audiences who value your reviews. Number 2. Review websites. Pay to read. Yes, seriously. Platforms like Online Book Club, Reader's Favorite, and Any Subject Books are havens for readers looking to get paid for reviews. Typically, you'll receive a free book to read, and after your first unpaid review, to prove you're legit, you can earn between $5 and $60 per review. Plus, it's a great way to discover new authors and books outside your regular genre. Over time, if you become a trusted reviewer, you might even be offered higher-paying gigs or collaborations with more prominent authors. These platforms also offer perks like participation in book award contests and an opportunity to network with other reviewers, making the process more than just a one-time gig. In addition to monetary rewards, some sites may offer exclusive early access to upcoming books, providing a sneak peek into future bestsellers. Reviewers who consistently provide high-quality, thoughtful feedback can build a strong reputation in the literary community. Eventually, this could lead to additional opportunities such as editing or ghostwriting gigs, further expanding your earning potential. Number 3. Amazon Influencer Program. Flaunt it to your followers. Do you have a following on social media? The Amazon Influencer Program might be right up your alley. While primarily targeted at content creators, this program allows you to earn commissions by recommending books or other products on Amazon. When your followers purchase through your affiliate link, you get a slice of the pie. The key here is authenticity. Your followers can smell fake enthusiasm a mile away. Keep it real, and you'll be able to cash in while sharing books you genuinely love. Plus, this program goes beyond books. You can create product recommendation lists that reflect your niche, expanding your earning potential. From sharing your love of thrillers to recommending productivity tools, the sky's the limit when it comes to curating lists that your followers will trust. Number 4. Review for free products. It's like Christmas every day. You may not get cash, but how does a steady stream of free books sound? Websites like AM's Discover and Brandbacker connect you with Amazon sellers willing to send free books or other products for your honest feedback. While you're not allowed to accept paid reviews on Amazon itself, you can still receive products to review as long as you disclose this to your readers. This can be a fun and rewarding way to expand your library at no cost. Moreover, these platforms often allow you to review a range of products beyond books. Think electronics, beauty products, or kitchen gadgets, expanding your review expertise and appeal. This method is perfect if you love trying out new products but don't want to spend money on them. Number 5. Start a review blog. Control the narrative. Want more control over how you get paid? Start your own book review blog. Not only can you share your opinions about Kindle books, but you can also monetize the site through ads, affiliate marketing, or even sponsored posts. With time and consistent content, you can build a loyal audience, increasing your earning potential. Make sure your reviews are honest, detailed, and entertaining. Throw in some gifs or memes. Who doesn't love a funny take on a slow burn romance gone wrong? Additionally, having your own platform gives you the freedom to cover more topics and formats, from video reviews to podcasts, opening even more doors for sponsorships and partnerships. Plus, if your blog gains traction, publishers may start sending you advanced review copies for free. Number 6. Get paid to write reviews for other blogs. If maintaining your own blog sounds too taxing, consider writing reviews for other websites or blogs. Some bloggers or companies will pay you a flat fee for your writing services. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr are great places to find gigs like this. You can often find one-off or ongoing gigs from clients looking for fresh, engaging content to fill their pages. Just make sure the gigs you take follow Amazon's guidelines, especially when it comes to not violating their no-pay reviews policy. Amazon has strict rules to maintain the authenticity of its reviews, and breaking these rules could get you banned from future opportunities. Many bloggers are constantly looking for fresh voices and perspectives, meaning you can build a portfolio that could lead to bigger opportunities. You'll also get to sharpen your writing skills by reviewing different products, styles, and formats. This freelance option allows you to tap into diverse markets while perfecting your review style for different audiences. As you gain experience, you can command higher fees and even specialize in niches that you are passionate about, making this both a profitable and enjoyable venture. Number 7. Snagging discounts and cashback. Some websites and apps, like Snagshout and VIP Power Club, offer books at a discount in exchange for reviews. You won't exactly be paid, but getting the book for a fraction of the price and potentially earning affiliate commissions can add up. This method is great for avid readers who love a bargain and don't mind putting in the work to leave thoughtful reviews. Over time, you could even build a small library of free or discounted books, which might include bestsellers and newly released titles. Think of it as getting paid in books and cashback. Definitely not a bad deal if you're an avid reader. You'll also be contributing to the success of the authors and products you review, which can be incredibly rewarding. Over time, you can accumulate savings or even invest your cashback into more books or gadgets to review. In the long run, this method can boost your credibility as a seasoned reviewer, especially if you're aiming to break into the Amazon Vine program. You'll get noticed for your consistent, quality reviews, and who knows, companies may reach out to you direct. Number 8. Freelance writing. Get paid by the word. Another way to monetize your love for reviews is to become a freelance writer. Platforms like FlexJobs and Upwork often have job postings where you can get paid to write product reviews, including books. Depending on the contract, you might be paid per word, per hour, or per article. If you love reading and are good with words, this is a great way to earn while honing your craft. These platforms often offer access to long-term clients or recurring projects, giving you stability and the chance to diversify your portfolio. Plus, the experience gained here can be invaluable if you plan on turning book reviewing into a full-time job or side hustle. Number 9. Sponsored reviews. Build relationships with authors. Authors, especially self-published ones, are constantly on the lookout for honest reviews to boost their book's visibility. Through platforms like Any Subject Books, you can build a reputation as a reliable reviewer. Some authors may offer compensation for a detailed, thoughtful review. Just remember, transparency is key, and always disclose if you're being paid to review a book. Your credibility as a reviewer is worth more in the long run than a quick buck. Beyond just cash, you may develop meaningful relationships with authors, leading to more review requests and potentially exclusive access to their future works. This trust could even open doors for collaborations, like hosting book giveaways on your blog or social media, further expanding your reach. Number 10. Combine methods for maximum profit. The best part about reviewing Amazon Kindle books is that you don't have to stick to just one method. You can combine approaches like joining Amazon Vine, using influencer programs, and taking on freelance gigs to maximize your income. It might take some time to build momentum, but with persistence and a passion for reading, you can turn this into a lucrative side hustle. By diversifying your strategies, you also protect yourself from the ebbs and flows of any single platform, ensuring a steady stream of income. Plus, you'll have more fun exploring different avenues while building a portfolio that showcases your versatility as a reviewer. And that's a wrap on how you can start making money by writing Amazon Kindle reviews. If you enjoyed this video and found the tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.